students. Today we are going to learn a very interesting English lesson. I hope all of you are ready with your books and notebooks. Please sit properly and listen carefully. Before starting the lesson, let me ask you a simple question. Do you like learning English? Because English is a very important language. It helps us communicate with people from different parts of the world. It also helps us gain knowledge, read books, and express our thoughts clearly. Before starting today's lessons, I will show you a picture. You will tell me who is he. Now, I will show you a picture. You will tell me who is he. Yeah, yes, you are right. He is King Krishnadev Rai. Today, I will tell a story about him. So listen carefully. Krishnadev Rai, the great king of the Vijayanagar Empire, was known for his bravery and wisdom. He loved justice and cared deeply for his people. Under his rule, the kingdom became rich in culture, learning, and prosperity. People admired him as a fair ruler who always protected truth and helped the poor. I hope you all have enjoyed this story. Let us recall what we have learned in the previous class. So let us discuss some questions from previous class. So the first question is, what was Rama carrying in his hand? Can you answer? Yes, students, can you answer to my question? What was Rama carrying in his hand? Rama was carrying a plate full of paddy seeds in his hand. Can you answer the second question? Which type of paddy seeds he was carrying? Yes, answer the question the second time. Which type of paddy seeds he was carrying? He was carrying revolutionary type of paddy seeds. He was carrying revolutionary type of paddy seeds. Now I have asked the third question. What is the meaning of word absurd? What is the meaning of word absurd? And meaning of word absurd is illogical. Very right. I think you all have doing a fabulous. So now, can you tell me, children, what topic we are going to study today? Because I have to tell a story like Krishna Dev Rai, the great king of Vijayanagar Empire. Now, you all have to tell me what we are going to study today. Very right. We are going, we are going to read. We are going to read the weight that own hearts. The weight that own hearts. Let's read. But remember, when we read something, we should follow these points. Number one, read clearly and loudly. Pronounce the words correctly. Use proper pauses and punctuations. Now, let us do a small work. Now, let's do read this paragraph. Rama smiled unfazed. That may be true, Your Majesty, but the real issue lies not with the seeds themselves, but with the person who sows them. A horse fell over the court as Rama's words hung in the air. The king's eyebrow furrowed. What is wrong with the person who sows the seeds? Speak clearly, Rama. He roared. Next, Rama glanced around the court, his sharp gaze meeting the skeptical eyes of the courtiers. If one were to sow seeds without proper care, no one would reap a good harvest, he said, pausing for effect. And what if the person had a habit of earning while sowing? Would not the seeds scatter unevenly? Now, we should understand what is the meaning of the paragraph. Summary of the lesson. Rama calmly tells the king that the real problem is not with the seeds, but with the person who sows them. His words make the court fall silent. The king, confused, asks Rama to explain clearly what is the matter. Why? King confused. Rama explained. Rama then says that if a person sowing the seeds is careless, for example, if he has a habit of fanning, the seeds might scatter unevenly. As a result, the crop will not grow properly and the harvest will not be good. So when the king asked Rama, please clear my confusions, then Rama explained to the king, if a person sowing the seeds is careless, for example, if he has a habit of earning, The seeds might scatter unevenly. As a result, the crop will not grow properly and the harvest will not be good. I hope you all have understand what just I exactly said to you. Now, let us do a small vocabulary activity. I will say a word and you will tell me its meaning. We know some new words that we know in the paragraph. For example, unfazed. Unfazed. What is the meaning of unfazed? Unfazed meaning not worried. Unfazed means not worried. I will explain. Not worried means feeling calm and not afraid or anxious about something. Unfazed means not worried. Not worried means feeling calm and not afraid or something about something. Afraid or anxious about something. Now the second word is hush. And what is the meaning of hush? Yes, children. What is the meaning of hush? Hush means silence. Silence was true. Completely quiet, no sound at all. Silence means completely quiet, no sound at all. Next, next word is fjord. What is the meaning of fjord? Fjord means wrinkled. Wrinkles means having small lines or folds on the skin or cloth. Understand? Wrinkle means having small lines or folds on the skin or cloth. Now, the next word is road. What is the meaning of road? Yes, to make a loud, deep sound. Road means to make a loud, deep sound. And the other word is glance. And what is the meaning of glance? To look weakly at somebody. Glance means to look weakly at some point, to look weakly at somebody. The next word is gaze. And what is the meaning of gaze? To look steadily for a long time. You have looked someone for a long time, very, very long time. Now the next word is skeptical. Skeptical means doubtful. And the doubtful meaning of doubtful, not easily believing something, having doubts. You have doubts, you don't have believing someone or something. The next word is reap. Reap means harvest. Harvest the time when crops one caught are caught and collected from the fields. Harvest means the time when crops are caught and collected from the fields. This means harvest. Now the other word is courtier. Courtier means a person who attends a royal court. A person who attends royal court means a person who serves or attends a king or queen in the royal court. A person who serves or attends a king or queen in the royal court. It means courtier. Now the next word or the final word is scatter. And what is the meaning of scatter? Very right. Scatter means to spread things over a wide area. To spread things over a wide area. This means scatter. So I will explain what is the real means of scatter. To scatter seeds on the ground so the plant can grow. Scatter means to spread things over a wide area. To scatter seeds on the ground so the plant can grow. Very right. Very good, students. Okay, then now let us also practice making sentences. I will give you a word and you will make a sentences using that word. So after you making sentences, I will tell you what is sentences. What is sentence? Sentence means a group of words arranged in a particular manner, in a particular order, making a complete sense is called sentences. I will explain twice. Sentences. After you making sentences, what is the meaning of sentences? What is called sentences? Sentences means a group of words arranged in a particular order. A group of words arranged in a particular order, making a complete sense, is called sentences. Now, you will show that the one word is unfazed. Now, unfazed. You have two sentences making them. The word is unfazed. She was unfazed by the delay. And the sentence is she was unfazed by the delay. Unfazed. If you have making sentences, the word is unfazed. So the word is unfazed, and you have to making sentences. She was unfazed by the delay, and the another word is horse. You have to making sentences. The hers is she tried to host her noisy father. She tried to host her noisy father. Understand, students? Now, the next word is fjord. He looked at the complex puzzle with a fjord brow. He looked at the complex puzzle with a fjord brow. This previous class, I will explain fjord means wrinkled. Wrinkled means having small lines or folds on the skin or the cloth. Now, the word is fjord, and the sentence is he looked at the complex puzzle with a fjord brow. Understand? Very right. Now let us do an activity. Now let's do an activity. Some statements are given. You have to say who said to whom. Okay. Now let's do an activity. We should do an activity. Some sentences or some statements are given. You have to say who said to whom. See, statement are given. That may be true. Your Majesty. That may be true. Your Majesty. Can you say who said? Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama said to whom? Tenali Rama said to whom? King. Tenali Rama said that may be true, Your Majesty, to King. And the next statement is what is wrong with the person who sows the seeds? What is wrong with the person who sows the seeds? What is wrong with the person who sows the seeds? Who said? King said. To whom? King said to Tenali Rama. King said to Tenali Rama that what is wrong with the person who sows the seed? We read the paragraph completely and very well. So that is the question. What is wrong with the person who sows the seeds? King said to Tenali Rama, what is wrong with the person who sows the seeds? Now the next statement is what if the person had a habit of winning while sowing? What if the person had a habit of winning while sowing? Next time. So tell me who said Tenali Rama said, what if the person had a habit of running while sowing? To whom? To King. Tenali Rama said to King that what if the person had a habit of running while sowing? Very right. Very good. I think you all have enjoyed my class. Now we will learn opposite words. Do you know opposite words? Very good. Now we would know or we will learn opposite words. Opposite words are words that have different or reverse meaning. Opposite words are words that have different or reverse meaning. Now listen carefully. For example, if something if something is big, the opposite is small. Definitely, if something is big, the opposite of big is small. If someone is happy, the opposite is definitely sad. You see, open and close. Now, I have four words glance, skeptical, sewing, or pausing. The right opposite of the following words. I say a word, you say the opposite. The first word is glance. And what is the opposite of glance? Opposite of glance is stare. Opposite of the glance is stare. Now, skeptical. What is the opposite of skeptical? Yes, definitely. Very right. Skeptical means believing. Skeptical means believing. Now, another word is showing. What is the opposite of showing? Very right. Sowing, opposite of sowing is reaping. Now, pausing. And what is the opposite of pausing? Yes, definitely. You have to. Opposite of pausing is starting. Very right. I think excellent. Now you understand opposite words. Now we will learn verb forms. Write second verb form of the following verbs. A verb is an action word, we know. A verb is an action word. It tells us what someone does. Example, run, eat, go, play, etc. So verbs are different forms. First form, second form, or third form. For example, go. Go is the first form verb. Second form of go, went, and third form of go is gone. Definitely, we know that. So let us read together. I will say the first form and you will say the second form of verb. For example, fall. And what is the second form of fall? Come on, second form verb? Definitely fell. Fall, the second form, fall, verb, the first form is fall, the second form is fell. And another one is hang. And what is the second form for hang? Is hong. Now, the third one is roar. And what is the second form of roar? Come on, is roared. Very right. Another one is smile. And what is the second form of smile? Is smiled. Very right. And what is the second form of furor? Very right. You all have know everything. Fjord, second form of fjord is fjord. Very good. Very, very good students. Today we learned new words and their meanings, opposite words, sentence making, and verb forms. But now, but now we are here some assessment questions for you. Question number one. Choose the opposite of the following words. Choose the opposite of the following words. So first one is gaze, and what is the opposite word of gauge? Very right. Opposite word of gaze is ignore. You have to ignore someone. And what is the opposite of scatter? What is the opposite of scatter? Very right. The opposite of scatter is accumulate. Very right, students. I think you know and you enjoyed my class completely. Thank you so much. And another word is sharp. And what is the opposite of sharp? Very good. Is blunt. Opposite of sharp is blunt. Now, the another word is real. And what is the opposite of real? Very right. The opposite of real is unreal. Very, very right. And the last one. What is the opposite of wrong? I think you all know what is the opposite of wrong. Definitely. The opposite of wrong is right. Very, very, very good. Well done. Now move towards question number two. Choose appropriate word and fill in the blanks. Choose appropriate word and fill in the blanks. Okay, now some words are in bracketed. Smile, glanced, horse, fjord, reap. You know every word forms. You know every word because we read the paragraph very fluently, correct pronunciations. And now you all see some words are in the bracket. Smile, glanced, horse, fjord, and reap. Now you will choose a one word to fill in the blanks with correct form. So the question was, no one would does a good harvest. No one would does a good harvest. Choose one. Very right. Is reap. No one would reap a good harvest. No one would reap a good harvest. So the second one is a dash fell over the court. A dash fell over the court. Choose. Very right is horse. A horse fell over the court. Now third one is Rama dash around the court. Rama dash around the court. Choose one. Definitely yes. Choose one. Rama Rama glanced around the court. Now next one is the king's eyebrow. The king's eyebrow dash. Yes, definitely you have to choose one. The king's eyebrow fjord. The king's eyebrow fjord. The last one is Rama dash unfazed. Rama dash unfazed. And the last one is definitely Rama smiled unfazed. Very good, very, very well done, students. You have understand these lessons very, very, very well. I'm proud of you. You will doing a fabulous. So now write homework in a notebook. Make sentences from the following words. One is skeptical, glance, yawning, and pausing. This is a homework to everyone. Please write your notebooks this question. Make sentences from following words. The one is skeptical, glance, yawning, and pausing. Very, very right. Thank you. And we will meet in the next class. Thank you, students.
ଖୁସିରେ ଶିଖିବା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଅଧିକାର। ନମସ୍କାର।